Okay, we are going to start question number 8. The circle with equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 10y minus 27 is equal to the 0. Intersect the line x is equal to -2 at the point P and Q. Find the area of the triangle formed by the tangent to the circle at P and Q and the line x is equal to -2. We know that general equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus a whole square is equals to r square. In this case, h and k are center. So first we find the center of the circle using the given circle equation. Use the complete square method. So x square minus 6x plus y plus 10y minus 27 equal to 0, and in this case we have x square minus 6x, we will add plus plus and minus 9 plus y square plus 10y. So in this case, to make it complete square, we will add 25 and subtract 25 minus 27 equal to 0. We have x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus y plus 5 whole square minus 25 minus 27 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equals to the 61. So here h comma k is equals to the 3 comma -5, which is the center, and r square is 61. Okay, so in this case, first we draw the scenario. Okay, this is the scenario. Okay, this is the scenario. Suppose we have the center here, which is 3 comma -5, and this is the line which is x is equal to -2, which is intersecting at point P and Q, P and Q. This is -2. We need to find the tangent and this tangent, and when we increase the length of the tangent, they are intersecting here. We call it R. So this is the triangle PQR, and we need to find the area of PQR. First we find the P and Q, and P and Q are intersecting point of the line x is equal to -2 and the circle. So we have two equations. One is the circle equation and other one is x is equal to -2. So we need to find the intersecting point of these two lines. So by solving these two equations simultaneously, we can find P and Q. So plugging x is equal to -2 in circle equation. So x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 10y minus 27 equal to 0, and in this case x is equal to -2. So we will have -2 square plus y square minus 6 times -2 plus 10y minus 27 equal to 0, and this one is equals to the 4 plus y square plus 12 plus 10y minus 27 equal to 0. So we have the equation, quadratic equation, which is y square plus 10y minus 11 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. We can solve it by using factorization. So this will be x square minus 1y plus 11y minus 11 equal to 0. So when we take y common, so it will be y minus 1 plus 11, y minus 1 equal to 0. So this will be equal to y plus 11 and y minus 1 equal to 0. So we have two factors. First one is y plus 11 equal to 0 and other one is y minus 1 equal to 0, and in this case y coordinate is 1 and in this case y is equals to negative 11. So the point of intersection Q is negative 2 because x is negative 2 comma negative 11, and this P will be negative 2 comma 1. So we have the point P and Q. So we have calculated the point P and Q, and the distance between PQ is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1. Because x coordinate is same, which is 1, which is negative 2. So this will be equals to the negative 2 minus negative 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 1 minus minus 11. 1 minus minus 11 whole square. So this will be equals to 12 square, which is equal to 12. So PQ is the distance. So the distance between PQ is 12 units. So this PQ is 12 unit. Okay. Now we need to find the value of R. Point R is intersecting point of tangent P and tangent Q. So we need to find the equation of the tangent P and tangent Q. First we should know that if this is the center C, so this line CQ is perpendicular to the line QR. RQ is perpendicular to the CQ. Similarly, this PC is perpendicular to the PR. If we can find the slope of CQ and CP, we can find the slope of PR and RQ. So slope of CP is equals to the MPC, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. C is x1 y1, which is equals to the 3 comma negative 5, and P is equals to the x2 comma y2, which is equals to the negative 2 comma 1. So plugging these values to find the slope of CP. So MPC is equals to y2 minus y1 means 1 minus negative 5 over x2 minus x1 means negative 2 minus 3. And this one is equals to 6 over 5 negative. So slope of PC is negative 6 over 5. And this line PC is perpendicular to the PR. So we can say that slope of PR is equal to negative 1 over MPC. So this one is equal to negative 1 over negative 6 over 5. So we can say that slope of PR is equals to 5 over 6. Now we can find the slope of RQ by using the slope of CQ. So first we find the slope of CQ. Slope of CQ is equals to the MCQ, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this case, C is equals to 3 comma negative 5 and Q is equals to the negative 2 comma negative 11. So slope of CQ is equals to the y2 minus y1 means negative 11 minus negative 5 over negative 2 minus 3. And this one is equal to negative 11 plus 5 over negative 5, and this one is equal to negative 6 over negative 5, which is equal to 6 over 5. So this is the slope of CQ, which is perpendicular to the RQ. So slope of RQ is 1 over MCQ negative, and this one is equal to RQ is equal to negative 1 over 6 over 5, which is equal to negative 5 over 6. So we can say that slope of RQ is equal to negative 5 over 6. Now we have the slope, this one MRQ, and this slope is MPR. And we have the point P and Q also. So we can use slope point form to find the equation of tangent P. Equation of tangent at P is calculated using slope point form. So slope point form is y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. And in this case, slope is slope of PR, which is equals to the 5 over 6, and point P is equals to the negative 2 comma 1. Y minus y1 is 1, is equals to m is PR, which is 5 over 6 times x minus x1, which is negative 2. So we have slope of the equation y minus 1 equals to 5 over 6 x plus 2. So this is the equation of tangent at P. Now equation of tangent at Q is, using slope point form, we will have y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and in this case m is equal to slope of RQ, which is equal to the negative 5 over 6, and the point is Q is the x1 and y1, which is equal to the negative 2 comma negative 11. So the slope point form will be y minus y1, which is negative 11, equals to slope, which is negative 5 over 6 times x minus x1, which is negative 2. So we can say that y plus 11 equals to negative 5 over 6 x plus 2. So this is the equation of the tangent at Q. Okay, now we discuss again. This is the P, this is Q, and this is R. And we have the equation which is PR, which is equals to the y minus 1 equals to 5 over 6 times x plus 2. And we have the equation of RQ, which is y plus 11 is equals to negative 5 over 6 times x plus 2. Okay, we have the distance from PQ, which is 12 unit. We need to find the R, and R is the intersecting point of this equation and this equation. So from this equation we can see that x plus 2 is equals to 6 over 5 times y plus 11 negative. And from this equation x plus 2 is equals to 6 over 5 times y minus 1. Equating this and this, we will have negative 6 over 5 y plus 11 is equal to 6 over 5 y minus 1. Okay, this will be cancelled out and we will have negative y minus 11 equals to the y minus 1. Okay, further solving we will have 2y equals to negative 10 and y is equals to negative 5. Okay, now we have the y coordinate of the r. We need to find the x coordinate of the r. So we can plug this negative y in this equation to find the value of x coordinate. So y minus 1 is equals to the 5 over 6 times x plus 2. And in this case, y is equals to negative 5. So this will be negative 5 minus 1 equals to 5 over 6 times x plus 2. And further solving, we will have negative 36 equals to 5 over x plus 2. So this will be equal to 5x plus 10 equals to negative 36 and x is equals to negative 46 over 5. So we have the coordinate of the r which is equals to negative 46 over 5 comma negative 5. Negative 46 over 5 comma negative 5. Now we know that this is the Cartesian coordinate and this line is x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so every point in the line PQ always have x coordinate negative 2. We know that PQ is base of the triangle PQR which is 12 centimeter and we need to find the height h so that we can find the area of the triangle. This height should be perpendicular to the and we know that every point in the base has the x coordinate negative 2. So what is the shortest distance h we can achieve? So if we call this point L, so it should have the x coordinate negative 2 and the y coordinate should be taken from the point R so that we can have the shortest distance h which will be the perpendicular to the B. So we can say that L is equals to negative 2 comma negative 5 because the y coordinate of the L and R is same so that we can have the perpendicular between B and H, height and base. Now height is equals to the RL because the y coordinate is same, so we will have only the difference of the x coordinate. So negative 2 minus 46 negative over 5 and this one is equals to the negative 10 plus 46 over 5 which is equals to 36 over 5. So we have the height which is 36 over 5 and we also have the information of B's which is PQ and this one is 12 unit. Now area of the triangle is 1 over 2 BH and 1 over 2 36 over 5 times 12. So we will have 216 over 5 unit square. So the area of the triangle PQR is 216 over 5 unit square.